In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fantech keyboard software. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to hover over download up here and then click on the keyboard. Now from here, you'll get a long list of different keyboards they have. So as you can see, you have to click on understand over here, scroll down and there's a bunch of different things. And as you can see, you can just basically select whichever one you want to download. So for example, let's say I have this keyboard over here, so the MaxFit 6.7, and then I can just click on software over here and it's basically going to download that software. Now sometimes it's going to take you inside a Google Drive. You can click on download anyway over here and it's going to download that specific software onto your computer. Now these things may differ a bit depending on whichever model you have, but basically all of these who actually have software, you'll be able to download software for. So for example, if I select a different one like this one, there we go. It's actually going to download it right away. I didn't even have to go anywhere. As you can see, it's downloaded right away. And what this looks like is basically it's this thing over here. So it's the exe file. You have to just click on it. So double click. And then from here, you'll be able to basically go through the setup, click on next first and then next, and you'll be able to install it onto your computer that way. But if you actually are experiencing this, so if you're seeing this like a zip folder over here, you can also do that very easily. So you simply click on the zip folder if that's what you downloaded, right click, click on extract all, and then extract, and then it's going to basically add a new folder without the zipper. You can just double click it, and in here you'll be able to see the software, double click on that software, and you can install it that way as well. Okay, so again, it's going to be a bit different according to of course, depending on whichever model you have, but all of them that have software, you can of course install it. So just download it, and if it's not like I showed you right now, then there must be kind of a user manual or like a step-by-step guide together with the software. If it's of course, if the installation is a bit more complicated, then just a double click and following the setup process. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.